Hi everybody, just a quick pan around the shop because we've had a delivery and we're quite full actually. I've been trying to find spaces to put everything, but somehow it happens. A couple of angels have flown in, some really beautiful bookends there. Oh, they're new. Crystal Dragon's heads. And actually, we're doing a skull workshop, so we've got quite a few new skulls in. If anybody's interested in doing a fantastic meditation and skull workshop, there's a couple of spaces left. Dragons. The dragon hunters. These are cute little crystal balls called planets, and they're on bluestone stands. Really cute. New fairies and angel tea light holders and little hands. The witchy corner's looking quite full, I have to say. I'll come back to this area because we've got some really lovely consecration oil in and blended oils. Okay. Oh, new singing bowls. Whole new variety of singing bowls. Okay.